Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. Once again, I have to tell you a case of misconduct exhibited by an advocate. Now we are discussing the other misconduct. You may be knowing, according to Section 35 of the Advocates Act 1961, the Bar Association of a State, Bar Council of a State can inquire into the allegations of professional or other misconduct, which will refer to the disciplinary committee. So, according to Section 35, whenever a complaint or otherwise information is received by the State Bar Council, then when they have got reason to believe that an advocate has been guilty of professional or other misconduct. This is the most important, Section 35. So, other misconduct. So, what is other misconduct? I am going to tell you today. Right. You can read this case as S. Ramanathan versus SP Ramanathan versus SP Ramanathpur district in WP number 21890 by 2021. Right. The judgment was, the writ petition was disposed by Honorable Justice G.R. Swaminathan of Madurai Bench, Madras High Court. Now we will go to the incident proper. That means what happened. That's more important. An advocate by name Muniyaswamy or Munuswamy of Kamuthi, K-A-M-U-T-H-I, Kamuthi Bar Association, maybe a district, Kamuthi or court in Ramanathpur district. He was allegedly found sexually assaulting a lady court staffer on 13th April 2021 at about 3 or 3:30 p.m. in the court premises itself. And at the time, the advocate was in a drunken stage, and actually he made inappropriate remarks towards her. And even though she warned him, he did not care, and his movements were found in the CCTV also. Right? He was in a drunken stage and he made an improper proposal. So, agreed by this, she has represented to the district judge for a transfer. Okay, her case was considered and she was transferred. In the meanwhile, the district concerned actually, since it happened in the court premises of I think AMM, Additional Magistrate. So that man Ramanathan, he spoke to the senior advocates also, some of the advocates, and asked them to take proper action against the advocate, or at least let him confront with the lady and say sorry, something like that. But nothing happened. What happened is ultimately a case was registered against the magistrate. This is another problem. Crime number 782 by 2021 under section 294B IPC was registered against the magistrate, for which Mr. Munuswamy, he is also the president of that Kamuthi Bar Association. He was the complainant. So when such is the situation, so he apprised the matter to the district judge Ramanathpur. District judge conducted inquiry and he has sent a report to the High Court, and High Court took it very seriously. And now, when the matter has come for inquiry or for disposal before the High Court, this woman, the lady staffer, since already transferred to a different place, she doesn't want any further action in this matter. She doesn't want to proceed with the allegations. But when the committee asked her as to what happened, she said, yes, this is the thing happened, but of course I cannot face him because he is the president of the Bar Association, that too he is an influential person like that. So therefore, better to go away. thinking that only I requested for transfer. Luckily, it was considered by the district judge and I am not transferred. I don't want anything more further. So normally, in other cases, the action would have been dropped. But very recently, we might have seen the advocate, contempt case against the advocate who was found in a erotic posture with a lady during the virtual hearing. So now the High Court said, we cannot become mute spectators to the incident. We cannot keep a Nelson's eye over the incident. The incident is very serious. Whether she agrees for the further action or not, but her statement showed that the incident is true. In such a case, definitely we have to take action. So immediately, the district judge was directed to ask the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry to take action against him. So already the act of the so-called other advocate, he has lessened the image of the Bar Council. This is another stabbing to the Bar Council. As such, immediately the Bar Council formed a disciplinary action committee and first of all, they have barred him from practicing in the court till the outcome of the inquiry. So please remember, this is a very serious issue. Now, High Court judge has also asked the police to register a case under section 353, 354 IPC and also section 4 of the Tamil Nadu Prohibition of Harassment of Workers Act 1988. So now see what happened. The advocate has to face the wrath. Being the president of the Bar Association of that committee, should have been more actually agile, and his activities should not bring shame to the Bar Council. It is nothing but other misconduct. So to cite it as an example, I made this video. Normally, professional misconduct cases will be coming in umpteen numbers, but other misconduct very, very less. So here it is one such other misconduct case. Please, it has come in the press. You can see it in since WP number is there, you can see it in the live law and other place also. Definitely, please understand what to do and what not to do. That is what the professional ethics say. Okay, thank you very much.